Hello viewers, welcome to Fusion Expo. Today we will be unboxing the Infinix Note 12 5G phone. Without any further, let's unbox it. Here is the phone box that comes with the Doctor Stranger edition. On the top of the box, here we have the Infinix Note 12 5G phone black edition. On next to it, we have the 33-watt supercharge adapter. Here we have the Type-C cable. Here is the SIM ejector pin. Next we have the Doctor Stranger stickers provided as per the edition. And here is how they look. Here is the 1x Gold card which serves as a community for all the Infinix users. You can scan and download the app. Next we have the user manual. And here is the Infinix warranty card provided in the box. At last, here we have the case which is pretty decent for the usage. This is all what we have in the box. Let's open the cover of the phone and check how it looks. On front, here we have the 16 megapixel selfie camera. On back we have the triple camera of 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel and a lens. On right side we have the power button with side mounted fingerprint and the volume buttons. On left side we have the SIM card slot. On top no buttons, and on bottom we have the 3.5mm audio jack, the mic, the Type-C port and the speaker. And this is how it looks after adding case to the phone. Now let's talk about the specifications and my first impression. Phone comes with Mediatek Dimensity 810 5G processor. Supports 12 5G band with dual 5G SIM, 6.7 Full HD plus AMOLED display, the DTS Surround Sound, 16 megapixel AI selfie camera, up to 9 GB RAM with virtual RAM expansion till 3 GB, 50 megapixel triple ray camera, 33 watts Type-C fast charging, 5000 mAh battery, Expo based on latest Android 12 version. Now let's check how the SIM tray looks. On one side it is provided with a dedicated SD card slot, and on other side it is provided with two SIM slots, SIM 1 and SIM 2, which both support 5G. Now let's check the weight of the phone. 186 grams for the phone and 20 grams for the case. The fingerprint unlock works really quick. Here is the My Phone details regarding the device name, model, Android version 12, CPU, camera details, RAM of 6 GB provided in the device and up to 3 GB expansion of virtual RAM to boost your phone smoothness, and the battery capacity and the OS version. Let's check the video and audio quality, which support quality up to 2K for YouTube video. Let's check with the camera. Here are the photo samples from rear camera, and here is the video sample.
Quality of the video in the mobile, which supports a highest quality of 2K.
Video recording on both cameras support till 2K. Let's move to the gaming. Here is the Call of Duty graphics support till medium quality and high frame rate. In medium quality and high frame rate, it's pretty smooth without any lag, with perfect things leading to a good game experience. Here is a Genshin Impact. We can play only in lowest default graphics settings, and the medium high making pretty lag in the gameplay. and you can go to maximum 60 fps as phone supports 60 fps frame rate.
Secret weapon, explosive puppet,
In lowest
fairy
default
bunny.
setting, it is pretty smooth without lag. Let's check the benchmark score. We got a benchmark score of 3,23,000, which is okay for the average performance. Let's check the battery performance. We plugged in during 15% of battery at 8:54 pm and completed 100% at 10:28 pm, which looked nearly 1 hour 30 minutes to charge from 15 to 100%. At 100%, we can see the battery life to work for 16 hours and is dependent on US. For normal usage, I am getting it for 2 days. Let's move to the pros and cons. When it comes to pros, it has a great attractive AMOLED display. The DTS Surround Sound is really awesome to watch videos. 33 watts fast charging works good. 5000 mAh battery make your phone last longer. Latest Android 12 Expo. You can make your 6 GB RAM expansion up to 9 GB RAM for better smoothness to open and run apps in fraction of a second, which is a pretty awesome thing. When it comes to cons, camera quality a bit average. Video can be recorded only till 2K. It should have given 4K 30 FPS at least. YouTube support only till 2K quality, should have given 4K. Average gaming, as we can't play smoothly in high-end graphics, and some of the high-end settings also missing for some of the games. I conclude that those who are looking for a 5G mobile with AMOLED display, DTS sound to watch multimedia, and the great battery with medium graphics gaming can go for this in the budget segment during the sales. Thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Tata. Thanks for watching.